look like this. He did this. What are you doing?
I'm playing a game.
No, you're not.
Bronx.
Brownie, I found it. What are you doing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Huh? Come into the dishwasher, Kaylee.
How about I videotape you doing the dishwasher?
No.
It's a woman's job. I'm a man.
Hey, Brownie, we're going to make it. Where is it? Tell me. Where? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's up there? No, I got it right here. It's right here, Rick. Rick, look. You go give it to Kaylee. Go give it to Kaylee. Go give it to Kaylee.
No, where is it?
Here, go give it to Kaylee. Tell her we're gonna make that.
He's eating it.
You. Don't even think about it. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Oh. So, what are we gonna substitute? Bronx? What are we gonna substitute the Baileys with?
Bailey's. There's no substitution needed.
There's no other ingredients that are wet ingredients. So what are we going to substitute it with? Bronx, what do you think?
What's a good substitute? Show us. Show us.
Show us. Where is it?
Where is it? Where's the substitute?
What's the substitute for the Baileys that I can use?
Bronxy, what are we going to put in the brownies?
Where is it?
Oh,
It's
okay.
up here. That's the cocoa. We're going to use that. We're going to use the cocoa. What else? What else?
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles? You want sprinkles on
Do you want
here?
sprinkles in the brownies?
You want sprinkles on the brownies?
It's a pen, right?
You going to write the recipe? You going to write the recipe? Excuse me. You going to write the recipe? No. No. You don't go on the table. No, you don't. No, you don't. Where are you going?
Hey, Bronx. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Kaylee. This is the kitchen freaking table.
What?
Okay. Can you get that dishwasher done now, Gail? Whose bowl is this? Jaden's macaroni and cheese?
Yeah. Why are you so small?
Go that way. Jaden! Come and clean up! And you too.
No.
March.